know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. Nowadays I cannot lay low. I cannot lay low. Yeah, I cannot lay low. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through with the hot shit. Talk of the town, I'm a topic. This young is so fly like a cockpit. If I ain't the party, it's not lit. Stop all the talking, I'm popping. But to be honest, this shit is not shocking. I wanna be rich at the moment.
What's up, YouTube? Back at you guys with another video. A couple of y'all was asking about the 350Z. Well, guess what? We got her here today right behind me. We're getting ready to do a little bit of work to it. I'm gonna let y'all check it out real quick. It's a work in progress. It's a work in progress. But if y'all go back to the last video and see, she done came a long way. Dropped body kit on there. Y'all see. Yes, sir. We already shut the hood. Yep. You gonna go straight like rally mode on it, Cuddy? Like as far as the interior, like the back part, you gonna leave it like open? Yeah, like tuner. Or you don't know yet? I don't know yet. Y'all see, he got the detachable steering wheel in there. He been working on it. Y'all gotta go back to that video and see how it looked. Did you ended up replacing the fenders? Hold on, they were different one. I was like, hold on.
The other one's still in the garage.
I was like, they wasn't that wide.
The other one is in the garage.
Oh, okay. I was like, what the heck? I started looking, I was like, hold on.
That was another one.
So you got two?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. I was like, hold on, that looked way different. When I went like this, yeah. I was like, hold on.
The other one in the garage at the apartment.
Oh, okay.
That was the automatic one.
Got you. And what's the rims?
Vossen's 20s.
Got the 20s on there. How wide is it in the back?
10.5.
10.5. Heck yeah.
Stretch boys.
Yeah. Shoot, mine stretch too.
I get that wide, I'll get some wider tires, but
yeah. Yeah, I like it. Well, we got some parts out here for y'all, so we're gonna get to work. Waddy gonna record. Right. Alright guys, we're gonna get the tools together. Get right back to y'all. Well, that didn't take long. Bumpers off. What y'all think about that look? Look good. Look good. Heck yeah.
Okay. This is C.
What you got on this side? Two on that one
right here.
One in.
That's on the money right there. Yeah.
Perfect.
We can stick this side. Yeah, it's on the money.
Just in case it move. Just in case it moves. I be forgetting what them deals is called though.
What's that?
Them pieces that go. I can't remember either.
I saw a video earlier he had them.
Shit, they put them on everything.
Oh yeah.
Chargers, Challengers, Mustangs, and everything now. They don't care.
They can have oncoming lead or.
Yeah, you could angle them. Yeah, you could do a little angle with them. can't move, so. That'll work.
Mm-hmm.
Other side. Now I want to get the right socket cut up. Kind of rough.
Just keeping it straight.
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah. Them was barely long enough too.
Oh yeah,
No more threads.
I was worried about
Look.
that too. Dang. Money.
It's not no money.
I don't want to get nothing too long and then.
Right. It was like.
Yeah, I'm sticking in there too much. That's easier than I thought.
Yeah, it won't be too bad. I don't know about them sides.
Might have to pull them off.
Side ones.
Might have to pull them off.
Go show them the side skirt.
This one halfway already off.
This is what we talking about. This is what we talking about. No, that jack won't get up under here. I know it won't.
Mine barely do.
I don't know. I got that. That's right.
No.
It
too
ain't.
big.
That's too big,
I
huh?
have to roll over or something.
And then
Yeah. I was thinking of bringing my jack too.
that's the smallest one I got.
Now I can just probably pull them off.
But we'll figure it out in a minute, y'all. Alright guys, we got the front splitter on, bumper back on. Just giving y'all that shot. Oh yeah, that look good. Yes sir. I like it. Alright guys, I think it's gonna wrap it up for this video. We didn't have the rest of the hardware we needed for the side pieces, so we're gonna call it a night on this project. But the front look awesome, man. Y'all see it right there, so yeah, we're gonna call it a night. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Alright, Cuddy, love you. We'll finish it. Oh yeah, see low. You sure it's gonna cut? Yeah, there you go. Straighten your wheel out. Yeah, it caught a little bit. All right, Cuddy.